These inner workings are lifetime warranty on them. So if the parts were to break, then the parts are free. So these teeth occasionally break, as you can see. Rarely happens. Some people it's never happened to. Some people it has happened to more than once. But if they break, parts are free. You just pay for shipping. That's why it's limited lifetime, meaning you're just paying for shipping only. Over all these years, we get a lot of phone calls about situations people get in and things they should not do to the pole. And I emphasize, do not do. If your pole is not staying up, you do not do this. Take duct tape and you do not do that. So do not take a drill and do not take a screw into the current hole and drill into it. Do not. For those that seem to have all kinds of money, do not throw it away. Okay? The do is to call me. You do put these back into place when those that are broken. Take the inner working, we take it apart, you insert the new parts, now you're back to normal. So that's the do's, this part and calling me, and the do not. No duct tape, no drill, and please do not throw the pole away. Thanks for watching.